of working with Redux is that we need to install it, right? It's a library. It's a separate library from React, right? And we install it just like we install any other library, right? We use npm, right? So here's an example of creating a trivial hello world Redux application using the standard create React app, hello Redux, right? And once you go in there, you can now install the two libraries that we're going to need, right? The first library, here we're installing Redux, right? This is the core Redux library. This is the same Redux library that you would use for any rendering engine, whether you're using Vue or using Angular or using any other competing rendering engine. Yes? Okay. The second half here, there's a second library, the npm install React Redux. This is an extension to that library that implements all the glue, right, that you need to have React talk to Redux. Okay, right, and that's the hard part, the glue, the plumbing of connecting these two things is what folks find somewhat challenging. Okay, all right, so let's implement a really simple hello application. Right, here's a hello component. Right, the only thing that it's doing is just spitting out the hello text, and then we say that we want to render it here in the root element, presumably that div. Yes. So we've done that before. It's really trivial. Let's not spend time there. All right. So let's talk about the state and reducers.